Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 01 August 2018, 20 of hour, 43 of minute and 09 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how do you get seeds from a bird of paradise? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how do you get seeds from a bird of paradise. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about how do you get seeds from a bird of paradise. If you are not in a hurry for flowers, you can grow bird of paradise plants from seeds. Remove a dried seed pod from a bird of paradise plant in springtime. Drain the seeds and remove any stringy orange tufts attached to them. Fill a planting tray with moist potting soil. More items. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.